How to easily download the OKX app on iPhone and Android 2026. Hello, fellow traders! In today's video, I want to create a guide on how to download the OKX app for both iPhone and Android. Let's dive straight into it. First, for iOS or iPhone users, you can search for the OKX app in the App Store. However, if you can't find it there, don't worry. You can still download it. Simply open your Safari browser and type "Download OKX for iPhone" into the search bar. After that, enter the official OKX website and click the menu to download the iOS version directly from the site. Next, for Android users, if you cannot find it in the Play Store, just open a browser like Google Chrome and search for Download OKX Wallet. Visit the official OKX website, then click Download APK. Once the download is complete, go ahead and install it on your phone. For those of you who want to register, you can use the link in the description of this video. By using it, you have the chance to get a 100 USDT welcome bonus and a 20% discount on transaction fees. Make sure to complete the registration process all the way through to KYC. One identity is only valid for one OKX account. Don't forget to check the Campaign Center menu to see exciting rewards for new users. Good luck, and start your crypto journey with OKX. Thank you for watching until the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.